Most windows do one thing. This one does everything better, and it starts with how it opens. What you're looking at is a tilt and turn window, and there's a reason why it's the standard across Europe. At Ikon, we specialize in this type of system because it delivers unmatched functionality, security, and performance in one clean design. Let me show you exactly how it works. This is the tilt position. With one turn of the handle, the window opens from the top inward. This gives you controlled ventilation. It's perfect for letting in fresh air while maintaining security. Because the window only opens from the top, just a few inches, it's perfect for high traffic areas like bedrooms or anywhere you want airflow without compromising safety or letting in rain. Now watch this. With another turn of the handle, the window opens inward like a door. This is the turn position. This mode gives you easy, full access for maximum ventilation, easy cleaning, or even egress. It's a two-in-one system, giving you both a hopper and a casement in one elegant package. And it's not just about how it opens, it's how it locks. Tilt and turn windows are built with a multi-point locking system. Every operable sash has no fewer than 4 locking points, often more depending on the size of the actual window. These mushroom caps, or locking pins, rotate into reinforced steel catches along the perimeter of the frame. That creates a tight, even pressure across the entire perimeter of the window when it's closed. Not just 1 or 2 latching points like you'd see in a traditional casement or single hung window. Along the frame, you'll also find continuous compression gaskets. These aren't cheap brush seals or magnetic strips. When the window is shut and locked, those gaskets are fully compressed, forming an airtight, watertight, and sound-resistant seal along the entirety of the window. That means better insulation, lower energy bills, and a much quieter home. Another major advantage, size. This hardware allows us to build operable windows much larger than standard hung or crank windows. With Ikon's tilt and turn system, we can give you large, expansive windows with massive clear openings and high thermal and airtight performance. You don't have to sacrifice size for efficiency or beauty. So, when you combine the flexible operation, secure multi-point locking, full compression sealing, and the ability to go really big, what you get is a window that performs at every level. This is what we do here at Ikon. Tilt and turn, built smarter, sealed tighter, designed to perform.